Hosta Twilight, FAQs by Ferbvu. For those seeking a shade-loving stunner, the Hosta Twilight is a perennial that deserves a spot in your garden. This vibrant foliage plant boasts a captivating combination of color and texture, making it a standout in any shady border. Over the years, I've fielded many questions about this beauty, so I'm here to answer some of the most common ones. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What makes Hosta Twilight special? The magic of Hosta Twilight lies in its foliage. The ovate, dark green leaves boast a wide, golden margin that transforms into a creamy white as the season progresses. This dynamic color play adds depth and visual interest to your shaded areas. The leaves themselves are thick and glossy, creating a luxurious feel. Beyond its stunning looks, Hosta Twilight is a reliable grower. It forms a dependable mound, reaching a mature height of 18 to 22 inches and spreading up to 30 inches. This makes it a perfect choice for adding mid-sized texture to your shade garden. Plus, it boasts good resistance to pests and diseases, minimizing maintenance needs. How do I care for Hosta Twilight? As a shade-loving plant, Hosta Twilight thrives in areas that receive dappled sunlight or morning sun with afternoon shade. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so be mindful of placement. When it comes to watering, aim for consistent moisture but avoid soggy soil. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. During hot, dry periods, you might need to increase watering frequency. Hosta Twilight isn't too picky about soil type, but well-drained, fertile soil is ideal. Amending your planting area with compost or organic matter can help create the perfect environment for this shade-loving beauty. Feeding your Hosta Twilight ISN is strictly necessary, but a balanced fertilizer applied in early spring can give it a boost. However, avoid over-fertilizing, which can encourage weak, leggy growth. Does Hosta Twilight flower? Yes, Hosta Twilight produces delicate lavender flowers on 30-inch scapes in June and July. While the flowers themselves are attractive, some gardeners prefer to remove them before they set seed. This helps the plant focus its energy on producing beautiful foliage. The decision to deadhead, remove spent flowers, is entirely up to you. If you enjoy the blooms, leave them be. But if you prioritize the foliage display, deadheading is a good practice. How do I propagate Hosta Twilight? Hosta Twilight is easily propagated by division in early spring or fall. Simply dig up a mature clump and carefully divide it into sections, each with at least one eye or bud. Replant the divisions in prepared soil, water thoroughly, and keep them mulched for winter protection. Common problems with Hosta Twilight. The biggest threat to Hosta Twilight is slugs and snails. These slimy creatures love to munch on the hosta's foliage, leaving behind unsightly holes. There are various methods for controlling slugs and snails, from using commercial slug bait to creating beer traps. Another potential issue is leaf scorch caused by excessive sun exposure. As mentioned earlier, Hosta Twilight prefers shade. If your plant starts to show signs of leaf scorch, relocate it to a shadier location. Hosta Twilight versus other Hosta varieties. With its unique color combination and reliable growth habit, Hosta Twilight stands out amongst its fellow hostas. Here's a quick comparison to two popular varieties. Hosta Franci. This variety boasts blue-green foliage with a creamy white margin. It's a shade lover like Hosta Twilight, but it grows slightly taller, reaching maturity at around 24 to 30 inches. Hosta Gold Standard. This sun-tolerant hosta features bright yellow leaves with green margins. Unlike Hosta Twilight, it can handle some direct sunlight. However, it requires more consistent moisture, especially in full sun. Ultimately, the best hosta variety for you depends on your specific needs and garden conditions. If you prioritize shade tolerance and a captivating color combination, Hosta Twilight is an excellent choice. Conclusion. Hosta Twilight is a captivating shade-loving perennial that adds a touch of elegance to any garden. With its easy-care nature and stunning foliage display, it's no wonder this variety remains a popular choice amongst gardeners. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your Hosta Twilight thrives for years to come. So, if you're looking for a reliable shade-loving beauty, consider adding this magnificent hosta to your collection.